Room elements are computing the area based on the room bounding perimeter walls. So as we learned earlier, a wall is designated as room bounding. Meaning to say, if I create a wall, WA, let's say for a nice simple storage space here, I'll just add a wall here to there. And let's say I'll add a door there. Okay, so what you now have is actually a separate room for the storage space. So the computation for the lunch room now is only based on this area. If you want this area, the storage space, to be computed as part of the lunch room, you now need to select this wall and designate it as non-room bounding, so that when you look at the computation for the room, it now includes that storage area. So what if you have here a small pipe chase? So let's create a wall, and I want to have here a small area, escape. So this will be the storage, and this is a pipe chase. And let's say the pipe chase is going to be part of the utility areas computation. So what I need to do is I need to make this wall, or this part of the wall, room bounding. But then since it's one continuous wall, I now need to split it first into two. Okay, so I can select this, and there's a split element command here, or SL is the shortcut, and I can split this into two. And since I have made them discontinuous, I can now make this wall and this wall room bounding. So let's see, I think this is room bounding. Okay, and just need to make this wall room bounding. And once I've done that, I can now see that the area computation for the lunchroom is only the main area, the storage, and not including the pipe chase. Okay, this is non-room bounding, so it should be included in the computation. Now, let's just say you have here a wall separating the two rooms. So let's create another wall. So I'll just create a nice wall here at an angle. And what happens then to the area being occupied by that wall? If we look at the room space, room element for the general office area, notice that it's actually excluding the area for that wall. So again, all you need to do is select that wall and uncheck room bounding. Now, another thing about room bounding is that, let's say from the second floor, you have a patio space here and then a door going out. Well, a patio space, or the railing that defines the perimeter of that patio space, it's not going to be included in your computation, or you cannot add a room element and room tag to that area. So if I want to, let's just say, create a space there using just a simple railing. Let's say we have the floor here, so we can adjust that, but I'll just say add a railing here, from here to there, and from here to there. Okay, that particular area okay, cannot be tagged properly because there's no room bounding area. So if you want to add a room element here and a tag, you need to, instead of a railing or with a railing, add a room separator. We'll add a room separator here. We'll just say pick lines. Maybe I'll pick that, pick this, and pick that. Now, if I do that, I can now go back to my room, and this can now be defined as a room. And since it's quite small, I can rename that to patio. Okay, hit escape, select the tag, turn on leader line, and maybe move this outside and name it patio.